거거든. 경로상이 아예 없는데? 뭐야? 그냥 이렇게 막 들어와?
뒤에 차 있는 거 같아.
아니 그냥 막 그냥 무턱대고 들어오네. 진짜 어이가 없어.
에이. 참네.
정말 어이가 없네. 아 진짜 개 어이없네.
Almost dead, guys.
이거 맞지? 맞는데?
맞아.
아니 이거 1차선이야?
뒤에도 차 따라와.
아니
일단
이거
빼.
오빠잖아.
차 바꾸셨나?
응.
But Nevi said we can go here.
여기에서 only one road.
여기 맞는데?
아니 근데 기능도 없는 거 싫어요?
동영로.
진짜 미쳤네.
그냥
고마워.
여기 있는데 언니?
어디
저기 있어.
이게?
우리 가는 거기 갔다.
야 여기 진짜
완전
사이드.
야.
진짜.
It's like
There is nothing at all.
yeah. They said no delivery.
No delivery, no food, no mat, nothing.
Yeah. 언니 오는데 얼마나 걸렸어?
1시간 40분.
얼마 안 걸렸네 그래도. To be honest, not that near, but like
100 is 6 kilometers.
Oh.
I have hella lot of things tomorrow.
yeah.
아
Maybe.
잠깐만.
After stream, you have to go.
Yeah, you can have a good sleep.
I wanna do swimming stream in the morning.
That sounds good.
Yeah. But problem is we have to go out until 11, right?
I think that tomorrow also doesn't have a lot of people. They just gonna clean it though.
Yeah, but we have to go out at 11. Then I have to do swimming stream like 9. I think.
Yeah. They doesn't gonna bother you that much though. 조금 늦게 가도 뭐라 안 할 것 같아.
I'm afraid. So afraid.
차가 안 나가. 맞당 가야겠다.
My brother, you guys know that Uni. So I said yes, she is, and yeah, she still. I said like that, and whoa, like this. And he said, I like left job, but I don't like Unicorn.
What the fuck?
I don't know.
Why he like left jump but he doesn't like Yunicorn?
I don't know.
Same person though. Same person.
I don't know.
똑같은 사람인데 누군 좋고 누군 안 좋을 수 있어?
Yeah, that's what I thought. And I said, what? How it can possible? Why? I asked like that. And he said, Left Jung looks so intelligent.
So they have to explain to me.
Oh.
That's the let me think.
Oh, yeah.
But everyone doesn't know because like right next to me there is like really five hat
Yeah,
people.
true.
So people thought about I'm the really like five hat too, but actually I'm there for 3 hat.
Just to say, oh,
everyone though.
And everyone said to Uni, she's so cute. I saw it a lot of
Yeah,
times.
because I'm not a nerd, so I'm the pure SF in there. 아까 여기서 막 저거 있었는데.
Yeah, I didn't packing anything.
That's crazy.
꿀묵은 물고기님 감사합니다. 랩미팅 나갈 때 랩장 코스튬 입고 나가는 거잖아. When you go out to rap meeting, you go out wearing the 랩장 costume.
Yeah, the character is kind of different.
Thanks. 감사합니다. It was a fun.
어디로 먼저 가? Where do you go first?
Food first? I think.
No, I mean like in Europe.
Oh, Sweden.
Oh, that's cool.
Sweden 7 days and maybe 1 month German. Like three weeks.
So then after you right straight away to go to Germany?
Yeah.